Morning everyone, my name is Ayatollah. I live in Chandol. I am 6 years old. Today I am going to talk about my family. I have 6 family members in my family. My father, my mother, my grandfather, my grandmother. My grandfather's name is Bharat Pokhrel. He is retired from his office. He is 72 years old. His favorite color is red. His favorite food is rice and dal. My grandmother's name is Pramoda Pokhrel. She is 65 years old. She was a banker.
What about your father?
Her favorite color is yellow. Her favorite food is
You forgot your grandmother's favorite food? Yes, it's okay. Go ahead with your father now. My father?
father's name is Pranit Kumar Pokhrel. He works at Karnali Academy of Health Sciences in Jumla. He is 45 years old. His favorite colors are white and black. He is a dentist. His favorite food is momo. My mother's name is Susmita Gautam. She is vet doctor. She works in Tokhanagar Palika.
Now what about the pictures, baby?
She is 40 years old. My sister's name is Navya Pokhrel. She is same school as me. She is same age as me. This was when it was in my feeding rice ceremony. I don't remember this photo.
You don't remember? That means you are there over there. Which one is you, Naya? You don't know? Don't know. Who is Navya? She don't know. It's okay. Now next picture. Next picture, Naya.
This was when I was in Coliseum. This was when I was in kindergarten. This was when I was playing with my grandfather.
Grandfather. Now?
Now I'm going to talk about my belongings. This is a cute elephant. It has two glittery eyes. It has two long hairs. It has one horn. It has one small tail.
Oh, small tail.
Small tail. It has 4 small hands.
Yes.
It is gray in color. Thank you. For my sister Navya.
Now your sister. Call her.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Navya Pokhrel from Red One Red. My favorite color is red. My favorite food is Today I am talking about my family. There are 4 members on my family. Father,
Yes,
My
now.
father's name is Ben. He works in Cornell Academy of Science. He is a dentist. On Saturday, me and my friends went to work. He is 45 years old. His favorite color is red. My mother's name is Susmita Gautam. He is a vet. He works in Tokhanagar Palika. My mother cooks me yummy food for me. He is 40 years old. Our favorite color is green. My sister's name is Maya Pokre. We are in same school. She is 6 years old. Her favorite color is pink and purple. My name is Maya Pokre. I studied English language.
What about the picture, baby? Can you talk about the picture?
No, I'm talking about my picture. This is when I was clicking in my button.
Yes? Are you there?
Yes.
You are there? Can you show me? Who is? Which one is you? This is you. That means this is Naya. Yes? This is me, this is Naya. Now we are Naya. Now another picture.
This is when I was last year. I visited Last year we visited.
Now next picture. Now are you going to describe the next picture? Yes? Yes. Now describe the picture,
This
baby.
is in my graduation. This is when I was coloring.
With your sister? Yes. Now what about your belonging?
Thank you. I'm going to talk about my favorite belongings. My favorite belongings is a unicorn. It has one corn. It has 4 legs. It has glitter on here. Why this is my favorite belongings? Because it is gifted. My father gifted on my birthday.
So that means it is very precious to you. Now whom do you like to call?